Hi, welcome to my channel Botany Tutorials. In this session I would like to explain economic importance of Rutaceae family. Economic importance of Rutaceae family. In the previous session I already explained vegetative characters of Rutaceae family and floral characters of Rutaceae family. This is the continuation of that family. Coming to economic importance, citrus fruits provides a number of this family provides a number of fruits, citrus fruits. In that, first one, Citrus aurantifolia. Citrus aurantifolia, in Hindi it is called Kagji Nimbu. Kagji Nimbu. It has citric acid in its fruits. Citric acid is present in the fruits of Citrus aurantifolia and they are used in bilious vomiting. And this fruit wall has essential oils. This is about Citrus aurantifolia fruit. Next one, Citrus aurantium. Citrus aurantium, in Hindi it is called Nimbu. The ripe fruit is digestive and a tonic. It is used as digestive tonic. Next one, Citrus aurantium also have provitamin A and vitamin B. Oil is present in the wall. Vitamin A is present and vitamin E is present in Citrus aurantium. Next, Citrus maxima. In Hindi it is called Chakotra. Produces edible fruits. Edible fruits are produced by Citrus maxima plant. Next one, Citrus sinensis. In Hindi it is called Mosumbi. The fruit is widely used in during illness and it purifies blood and reduces thirst. And next one, Citrus reticulata. In Hindi it is called Santara. The ripe fruit is highly nutritive and rich in assimilable calcium, and the fruit wall is also produces citrus oil. That means Citrus reticulata contain nutrients and calcium. Next one, Citrus lemon. Citrus lemon. In Hindi it is called Pahari Nimbu. This fruit juice and ripe fruit is useful in rheumatism and dysentery. Next one is Eagle marmelas. In Hindi it is called bale. This is normally edible. Eagle marmelas fruit is generally edible. The fruit is particularly useful in stomach disorders. Next, the plant is considered holy and its leaves used in worshipping the god Shiva. Okay, this all is about uses of citrus fruits. Next one is medicinal field. How the Rutaceae family members are used in medicinal field. Coming to medicinal field, the fruits produces vitamin C, that is called ascorbic acid. It is very useful to the human beings. And Barosma betulina produces buchu from its leaves, which is useful in urinary diseases. These properties are used in medicinal field of Rutaceae family members. Next one, ornamental and miscellaneous. Plants like Ruta, Luvunga, Luvunga scanders, Tilia, Calodendron, Limonia, Murraya are cultivated in gardens for their fragrant flowers. These all are ornamental plants. And Xanthoxylum gives Japan pepper. Xanthoxylum piperatum gives Japan pepper. Ruta graveolus gives French Isle of Rue. French Isle of Rue. Galipia officinalis yields Cusparia bark. Cusparia bark. These all are about economic importance of Rutaceae family members. This economic importance will be asked in examinations. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.